Is this how you list products on eBay normally? It takes quite a lot of time, right? In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to bulk list multiple products on eBay at once, way faster than doing it one by one. Let's get into it. Method 1. Bulk list to eBay using an eBay template. This method is free and requires no extra tools. Let's start with step 1. Download the listing template. First, log into your eBay Seller Hub and go to the Reports tab. Click Upload, then click Get Template. After that, you will need to customize a little bit your template. Set source to listings, and for type, select Create or Schedule New Listings. As for the file type, CSV or Excel both work. I will choose Excel for example. After that, you'll need to choose the categories of your products. You can choose up to 5 or 10 categories. I'll choose 5 and then select several categories for my products. Once everything looks good, click Download. This gives you a file with all the columns eBay requires for your selected categories. So now, let's fill in your product data. Open the template in Excel or Google Sheets. Each row is one product. eBay's template includes dozens of columns, but you don't need to fill all of them. Focus on the required fields first, to check whether a field is required or not. Check the note next to the column. You can also read more details about each field there. For example, in the Action column, choose Add since you're adding new products to eBay. For the category ID, you can choose from the categories you selected when downloading the template. Similarly, fill in the other fields as completely as possible for better search visibility. The core fields include title, price, quantity, condition ID, description, duration, format, location, shipping, and the item photo URL. Here's something that catches a lot of sellers off guard. eBay doesn't let you upload images directly in the CSV. So let's move to step 3. Host your product images online. For example, you can upload your images to imagebb.com, then copy and paste the direct links into the item photo column in your template file. Once your file is ready, let's upload the file to eBay. Go back to Seller Hub and click Upload Template, then choose File. After that, choose the template file you just edited. eBay will process the file. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation message. And that's it, you have uploaded multiple products to eBay using a CSV file. Now, let's move to method 2. Bulk list products to eBay using LitCommerce. You can use LitCommerce as a central place to manage your entire product catalog. Or, if you sell on multiple platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon in addition to eBay, this tool makes it easy to list products across all these platforms, while keeping inventory automatically synced. Here's how to get set up. Step 1. Set up your main store. If you already have an online store built on Shopify or WooCommerce, go ahead and connect it, so you can easily list existing products from these platforms to eBay without having to copy one by one. Otherwise, choose LitCommerce as main store, so LitCommerce become the central hub that manage all your products. In this video, I will select LitCommerce as main store. After that, click Next to move on to the next step. Add eBay as a sales channel. From the supported marketplaces, find eBay and click Connect under the eBay logo. Then, just follow the on-screen steps to finish connecting your eBay store to LitCommerce. Now, let's move to step 3, add products to LitCommerce. You can either add products one by one and upload product images directly to LitCommerce, so you no longer have to worry about online image hosting. Or, you can import products in bulk using a product file if you already have one ready. For example, I will upload an Excel product file and click Import Products. LitCommerce's AI field mapping will then automatically match your product columns to the right LitCommerce fields. You can also review and adjust any mappings if needed. Once everything looks good, click Start Import, and your products will then appear in All Products tab. Now let's push these products to eBay in bulk. Click Quick and Auto List to eBay and select the products you want to list on eBay. You can select all products from LitCommerce or filter by product type, category, brand, tags, and more. Here, I'll filter by product category and select women's sleepwear. Once finished, click Next. Now let's move to the most important step. Create templates to bulk edit your eBay listings. Here, you can create different templates for your listings, which allow you to apply the same information to multiple listings at once. This means you no longer have to fill in each product individually and you save a lot of time. First, you can create a category template. Give it a name. Then choose the category that matches your products. After that, choose your listing format, condition, and fill in other item specifics. For item specifics, you can map the available fields from your main store to eBay, making the listing process much quicker. Similarly, you can also create a business policies template for delivery settings. Select your shipping, payment, and return policy, along with your country and region. Optionally, you can create a price template to automatically increase or decrease your prices on eBay. For example, I set the eBay prices to be 5% higher than those in my main store. Once all your templates are set, click Next. Finally, let's publish your edited listings to eBay. You can save this setup for future use and activate automatic publishing. This way, whenever you add a new product that matches your selected conditions, it will be automatically published to eBay using your created templates. Once finished, click Next to view a summary of your bulk listing setup, including the total number of listings being published and the templates applied. If everything looks good, click Publish to eBay to start the bulk listing process. LitCommerce will push all selected products to eBay at once, and you'll be notified if any listings fail. And that's it, you've successfully edited and uploaded your listings to eBay in bulk. So there you have it, 2 ways to bulk list products on eBay. If you want to list products on multiple marketplaces and manage everything from one place, LitCommerce is the way to go. There's a free 7-day trial, link in the description. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more multi-channel selling guides. Thanks for watching and happy selling!